top 5 best poker tables. Number 5. Soozier Poker Table with Chip and Cup Holder. Another excellent option from Soozier is their poker table with chip and cup holder. This table combines functionality and affordability, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced poker players. The Soozier poker table features a classic design with a green felt playing surface that provides an authentic card playing experience. Its sturdy MDF construction ensures durability, while the padded armrests enhance player comfort. This table comfortably accommodates up to 8 players and includes built-in cup holders and chip trays for added convenience. The cup holders are strategically placed to prevent spills and maintain a clean gaming environment. What sets this table apart is its affordability. It offers a great balance between price and quality, making it an attractive option for those on a budget. Additionally, its foldable design allows for easy storage when not in use, making it suitable for smaller spaces. While it may lack some of the premium features of higher-end tables, the Soozier poker table with chip and cup holder delivers a reliable and enjoyable poker experience without breaking the bank. Coming in number 4. Soozier 3.9 feet 8-player Octagon Poker Table. The Soozier 3.9 feet 8-player Octagon poker table is a unique and stylish option for those who want to add a touch of sophistication to their poker nights. This octagon-shaped table comfortably seats 8 players and is designed for a cozy and immersive gaming experience. The table's construction features a solid MDF frame and a green felt playing surface, which not only looks authentic but also provides a smooth card glide. The padded armrests offer extra comfort during gameplay, allowing players to focus on the cards rather than discomfort. The Soozier Octagon poker table comes equipped with integrated cup holders, ensuring that beverages stay in place and minimize the risk of spills. This feature is especially convenient during intense gaming sessions. Given its octagonal shape, this poker table fits well in smaller game rooms or living spaces, making it a great choice for those with limited room to spare. Its compact design also allows for easy storage when not in use. While it may not offer the same seating capacity as larger tables, the Soozier Octagon poker table excels in providing a cozy and intimate poker experience. Coming in number 3. ESPN 10-player Premium Poker Table. The ESPN 10-player Premium Poker Table is the epitome of luxury and functionality for serious poker players. Designed to accommodate up to 10 players comfortably, this table is ideal for hosting large poker tournaments or gatherings. One of the standout features of the ESPN Premium Poker Table is its exceptional build quality. It boasts a sturdy steel frame and a premium faux leather playing surface. This combination ensures durability and a high-end look that will impress your guests. The playing surface itself is smooth and water-resistant, providing excellent card glide and easy cleanup. Integrated LED lights surrounding the playing area create an immersive gaming atmosphere, enhancing the overall experience. The ESPN Premium Poker Table also includes built-in cup holders and chip trays for each player, ensuring that the game remains organized and enjoyable. Additionally, a USB charging port is integrated into the table, allowing players to charge their devices without leaving the table. While this table offers a premium experience, it's worth noting that it's quite large and heavy. Therefore, it's best suited for dedicated game rooms with ample space. Coming in number 2. Giantex Folding Play Poker Table with Cup Holder. If space is a concern in your game room, the Giantex Folding Play Poker Table is an excellent solution. This table is designed with convenience and portability in mind, making it perfect for players with limited space or those who want to take their poker games on the road. The key feature of the Giantex Folding Play Poker Table is its foldable design. It can be easily folded and stored when not in use, saving valuable space in your home. When unfolded, it provides a 72-inch playing surface that can accommodate up to 8 players comfortably. This table features a smooth, water-resistant, and padded playing surface that ensures cards glide effortlessly and offers comfort during long gaming sessions. The built-in cup holders are strategically placed to keep drinks secure and prevent spills, adding to the overall convenience. Despite its foldable design, the Giantex folding play poker table is solidly constructed with a sturdy metal frame and durable MDF board. This ensures stability and durability during gameplay, even in the most intense poker matches. If you're looking for a portable and space-saving poker table without sacrificing quality, the Giantex folding play poker table is an excellent choice. Coming in number 1. Barrington Collection Poker Table. The Barrington Collection Poker Table stands out as a top choice for both casual and serious poker enthusiasts. This elegant and sturdy table offers a luxurious gaming experience that will enhance any poker night. One of the standout features of the Barrington Collection Poker Table is its high-quality construction. It boasts a solid wood frame with a stylish faux leather playing surface that not only looks great but also provides excellent card glide. This table measures 84 inches in length, providing ample space for up to 10 players to comfortably enjoy the game. The padded armrests add to the comfort level, allowing players to lean in during intense moments without discomfort. Additionally, this table comes with built-in cup holders to keep drinks secure and prevent spills. The Barrington Collection Poker Table also includes a convenient storage area beneath the table's surface. This space is ideal for storing chips, cards, and other gaming accessories, helping to keep your poker night organized and hassle-free. Overall, the Barrington Collection Poker Table combines style, durability, and functionality, making it an excellent choice for poker enthusiasts looking to invest in a high-quality poker table.